John, hi guys, welcome to my video. So I'm making glue slime in my channel.
First,
We got this butterfly, and we're gonna need the activator. To the top. Pwede this machine, this muna. Get. This the control. There, that's fast. That.
failed naman ayun.
Sorry guys, fail.
It's failed. Give the instruction. You're not talking to your, ano.
Hi guys, I'm using pink glue. And I'm gonna
Is it
put-
pink?
No. Oh, is it? Oh!
Dandahan, baka tumasik sa'yo. Okay, then, what happened?
Then when you put all of
Hindi
the
ko na kadami yung
glue,
ano niya.
it will look like fake. But we're gonna lagay the activator.
What lagay?
And we're using blue glue. And
Blue
we're
ba
gonna
yan?
This and the bleach.
The yellow glittered glue.
And with the bubble in is a loose stream blue. And we're gonna mess with it all over. Just this.
Aya, Daddy, can you fix Aya's hair, please? Nasaan yung headband niyang isa? Wala.
Ay, ano? Ito yung puti. Gabi.
Wala yung isa. Ayan. Aya, Daddy will put headband na para hindi maano yung hair mo.
Tali.
Yan.
Na?
Yan. Hindi marunong mag-headband yung tatay. Yan. Okay? So, your hair will not...
So guys, I'm using blue strips.
Are you done? Is it failed?
It's not fade. Can it look like fade? And this is like oh, it's over inside. Yay!
Are you done?